See, every time you open Google Maps, you are scrolling past businesses that are losing money right now. The crazy part is most people will scroll right past them, but you can actually turn them into clients that will pay you every single month. And it doesn't take coding, you don't need to run any ads or have any fancy marketing skills. This is just a simple plug and play setup that works for beginners. This is the same business model that hundreds of others have used to see amazing results, and it's the same one that I personally use to profit daily online while working from home. See, I know what it feels like to be overworked, trying side hustle after side hustle and nothing sticks. That's why I just want to be upfront. I'm not selling a course or any high ticket coaching program. All I ask is if you find this video helpful, just drop a like, share it with a friend, and then comment once you've done it. And when you do, I'm going to send you a private link to get access to my full step-by-step course, all the templates and scripts that you need to set this up for yourself, all 100% for free. So stay with me because I'm going to show you exactly how to find these businesses on Google Maps, what to offer them, and how to stack profit with AI tools they can't say no to. So essentially what we're going to be doing is working with local business owners. So think of your electricians, your roofers, your chiropractors, plumbers, any sort of business that registers themselves online. We're going to be working with them, and we're going to be giving them a simple done for you AI automation software solution. And in particular, we're going to be giving these guys free websites. Now, when I say free websites, I don't literally mean we're going to be giving these guys a free website. What we're going to be doing is stacking AI tools on top of that free website offer, which is going to allow us to charge them monthly. And don't worry if you don't know how to code or design software or design websites, because all of this stuff is made for you. There are so many website templates that I am going to literally give you guys access to. Now, I know website designers, myself included, who have sold websites for 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, 15,000. But instead of us charging one time for this, we're going to be putting them on a monthly basis, which is going to generate us a nice income every single month online. So here I am on this AI software. The cool thing about this software right here, this software is called Go High Level, is they actually let you white label it. So you take the software, you put your own name, your own logo, your own branding and domain over this software, and you sell this to businesses as your own. You don't have to code anything, it's already pre-built. If you actually want a completely free step-by-step course on this, I'm going to leave a link to that in the description below. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually head over onto Google Maps. Now for this example, I've just done electricians in Leeds, but you can do whatever industry in whatever area. If you want to do roofers, you can do that, plumbers, dentists, chiropractors, any industry you want. And what we're going to do is actually scroll on this list, and we're going to find a business that don't have websites. So as you can see, all of these businesses right here, they all have websites because there's a website button, but we want to find businesses on here that do not have websites. So we have this one right here, West Park Electrics. There's no website because there's no website button. And if I actually click on this, right, this business right here, they've actually got their phone number. So technically what we can do is we can actually call these guys up. We can actually call this business up right here and say, hey, look, I've just made you a free website, do you want to see? And of course they're going to say yes, because who would say no to a free website? And if I actually scroll down, there's going to be more people that probably don't have websites. This one right here, Hunters Electrical Contractors, Arnold Electrical. There's going to be so many businesses that do not have websites. You can call these guys up and offer them a free website, and this is going to take you minutes to set up, right? So once this business says yes, all we're going to do is head over onto this software. We're going to click on sites. Obviously this is just a demo account. When you actually have someone, an actual client that says yes, you're going to make them their own account. I walk you through how to do all of that, so don't worry if you don't know how. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on websites. We're going to click on new website, and if you want to design this from scratch, you can. I'm not a website designer, so I'm just going to choose from one of the templates. I'm going to click on continue, and because I did electricians for this example, all I'm going to do is type in electricians here. But if I actually click on here, there are so many different industries you can actually choose from, okay? But for this example, I'm going to type in electrician, And as you can see, so 3 templates have actually popped up. So I'm gonna actually, I quite like this one. This one looks really good. If you want to preview it before you actually download it in your account, you can do that as well. I'm gonna just click on choose template, and as you can see now, it's actually gonna download that website template inside of this account right here. I'm not going to be able to customize this however we want. So it's opening that website template up now. So this is the website template. We can change this however we want. All of this stuff is pretty much built out anyway. You're not going to really have to change too much, but if you want to, like, if you want to change the name, if you want to change the images and, you know, the logo over here, you can do that, no problem. If you want to change the colors as well, you can do that. Okay, really quickly, if you want everything pre-built, listen up. I'm talking fully ready-made websites that are already designed for you, the exact client bidding scripts that I use, the entire backend, all the automations built out for you, follow-ups, onboarding, already built, already tested, and already proven. You can import it all into your account in one click and you will be ready to go. This setup isn't just working for me, it's working for students who have never coded before, never sold before, and they still landed clients. And I have partnered up directly with Go High Level to offer you a completely free extended 30-day trial to the software instead of the normal 14 days. There are no contracts, there is no risk, and you can cancel at any time. Just go to winwithsaas.com or click the first link in the description and I will walk you through everything step by step. How to launch, how to get your first client, and turn this into a real monthly income. The system is built. All that is left is you. Like if you want to change this text, for example, all you have to do is just click on it and then you can change this to whatever you want. But everything for me looks perfect, and all I'm going to do now is click on publish. Obviously this is just an example, so I don't actually have a domain to connect this to, but when you actually have a client, you will connect their domain up. But for this example, I'm just going to click on the preview right here. So this is what the website will look like live. Now, as you can see, there are buttons like get a quote, contact us. This is going to get this business right here, West Park Electric, so whichever other business, it's going to get them a bunch more leads. It's going to get people are going to be clicking on website. This is a little website button right here. They're going to be taken to this, and it's going to get that business more leads, which means more customers and more money. But where is the AI on this website? There's no AI at all. What we can actually do is, right, I set this website up with an AI chat widget. Now there's going to be a little chat widget over here. Let me show you. So if I head back over on this software, all I'm going to do is click on where it says chat widget. I'm going to click on new, and there are a few different types of chat widgets we can do. For this example, I'm going to do a live chat, and we can customize this however we want. So if you want to change the text, if you want to change the image or the color of this, you can. But once you finish making your changes, all you're going to do is click on get code, and we're going to copy this code snippet right here. So you can click on copy right here. We're going to copy that and we're going to cross this off. And if I actually head back now and go back into the website, so I chose this template, remember, electrical engineer. If I click on settings, all I'm going to do is paste that snippet of code in this body tracking code. So all I'm going to do is click over here and I'm going to paste it. But we don't even need to do that because that chat widget AI and the website is all on the same software. All I have to do right here is click on chat widget and just sync up that chat widget we just made with this website. Click on save right here, and now if we head back over onto that website and if I actually give this a refresh, as you can see, there is now a chat widget on this actual website, but this still is an AI. It's saying enter your question below and a representative will get right back to you. This isn't AI yet. What we can do now is actually head over into the software again. If we click on AI agents, if we click on the top where it says conversation AI, now there are a few different types of bots we can set up. So you can do a general Q&A, appointment booking. I'm going to do this one because what this AI chat widget is going to allow us to do, right? If a customer comes on and asks a question, the AI is going to be able to book that customer into the client's calendar. So it's basically booking jobs for this business all through AI. This business is going to be getting more customers, more bookings purely because of this AI chat widget right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And you can name this bot wherever you want. If you want to give the bot a name, you can do that. I'm going to call it Lucy for this example. And what we're going to do is click on where it says autopilot. So it's going to be running on its own without any human interaction needed. And we're going to make sure that this supported communication channels live chat is actually on here. So that should be all good. So as you can see, live chat is on here. Now you might be asking, how is this AI bot going to know everything about the business? Because we just made this website, right? All we're going to do is copy the link of this website. We're going to head over onto bot training, and all we're going to do is click on add source web crawler, and we're going to paste in that website link. And what's going to happen is when we click on extract data, the AI is going to go on this website. It's going to scan everything and learn everything about them, all the services, the pricing, the opening hours. The AI is going to go and understand all of that. And obviously, because it's AI, it's not going to forget things. It's just going to remember it. And what we can do is, once you've done that, we can actually test the bot out. So if we ask over here, like, what is your services? Obviously right now this is untrained, so it's not going to know the answer. Like, this is completely wrong. But once we actually click on extract data and it learns it, it's going to actually know the answers to that. And if this is obviously a bad answer, right? So we can click on thumbs down and we can actually feedback on this reply. So the answer should be, we offer electrical services 24/7 call outs, for example. And then click on train bot, and then the AI is going to remember that now moving forward. And the good thing about this is these businesses, they're going to see results in their first week of having this set up. So they're going to keep paying. It's going to be getting them more customers, which means they're going to be getting more money. So eventually, once they get their first 1 or 2 customers from this website and this AI, it's going to basically pay for itself. So they're never going to cancel with you, and that is why this is so powerful. So you just saw how simple this is. Google Maps shows you the client, and then the system runs on autopilot once this is all set up. You're essentially leading with the free website and then stacking on all of these AI features that make businesses more money, which is why they will happily pay you month after month. There is no gimmick here. This is just a repeatable process that works every single time. So if you are ready to actually try this yourself, just like the video, share it with a friend, and comment done, and I'm going to send you a private link to get access to my full step-by-step course, all the templates and scripts for 100% free.